Now we will start with the time management. Time management is a personal skill. Only an individual knows their peak working hours, attention span, and eating, sleeping needs, which must be planned for. Okay. Concept of time management. Time management is the act or a process of planning and exercising conscious control over the amount of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness, efficiency, or productivity. The major themes arising from the literature on time management include following: what they are: creating an environment con- conducive to effectiveness. Next one, setting of priorities. Which work has to be done first, which is later. Next one, carrying out activity around those priorities. According to the priorities only, we have to work accordingly. The related process of reduction of time spent on non priorities. Incentives to modify behavior to ensure compliance with time related deadlines. Okay, what is time management? We should know. Time management refers to the way that one organize and plan on the duration that can be spent on specific activities. It is known as time management. What are the benefits of time management if we do so? Greater productivity and efficiency, a better professional reputation, less stress, increased opportunities for advancement, greater opportunities to achieve important life and career goals. Failing to manage time effectively can lead to very undesirable consequences. Missed deadlines, insufficient workflow, poor work quality, a poor professional and reputation, and a stalled career. Okay, higher stress levels. Next one is good time management. Good time management requires an important shift in a focus from activities to result from being busy isn't as same as being effective. Okay, you should not be always very busy ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, it should be effective also. Good time management lets to work smarter, not harder, so as to get more work task accomplished in is less time. Okay, time management is a process of organizing and planning how much time to spend on specific activities. Okay, why the time management? Time ಯಾಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? How it can help to manage and use time more advantageously. So, time is a special resource that cannot be stored or saved for later use. ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋಂಗ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Everyone has the exact same amount of time each day. Okay. Next one, most people feel they have too much to do but not enough time. ಭಾಳ ಮಾಡೋದೈತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay, next one, wise time management can help in finding the time for what is desired and for what is required to be accomplished. Everyone requires time to get what they want out of life. Okay, next one, time management will to set up priorities. Next one, Time is limited to 24 hours a day, so plan life wisely. So, time management help to make a conscious choice so more time can be spent doing things doing things. Time management helps to make a conscious choice is more can be spent doing things that are important, valuable. Time management will set up priorities. Time limited to 24 hours as we know. So plan life wisely. So time management help to make a conscious choice so more time can be spent doing things that are important and valuable. Okay. You can learn to find the time for things that are important to you. Even a small amount of time once a day or even once a week will take have huge impact by end of the desired or planned task. Okay? Life today presents so many distractions and therefore it is very easy to lose time on unimportant activities. Okay. So, next one is why time management is crucial. Okay. Time is limited as all we know that there are only 24 hours. That applies to all to rise through the ranks either in class or career, acknowledge and the importance of finding a way to manage this. Next one, accomplish more with a less effort means when a person learns to take a control of time, it improves ability to focus and which increased focus comes enhanced efficiency because lost momentum does not happen. Next, become more successful in career. Time management is the key to success. It allows to take control of life rather than following the flow of others. Next one. Learning opportunities are everywhere. Obviously, the more employees learn, the more valuable to the employer. And great learning opportunities are around and time to stop and take advantage of them. Okay. Reduce stress. If someone dumped surprise on desk at the moment and asked how long it would take to finish the surprise task, how could any even begin to answer their questions? Okay. Free time is necessary for yourself. Everyone needs time to relax and unwind. So, wrap up the work. Unfortunately, though many of us do not get enough of it, between jobs, family responsibilities, and upkeep on the house and the yard, most of us are hard pressed to find even 10 minutes. Okay, self discipline is valuable. Okay, this is valuable skill that will begin to impact other areas of the life where lack of discipline has kept from achieving goals. Okay, some general time management tools I will just tell you what they are. Activity logs. Finding more time in your day, any activity log, also known as activity diary or a job activity log. What has to be done, when has to be it done. like that, is written record of how time is spent. Okay, activity logs are also helpful in helping identifying non-core activities. Okay, that do not help to meet that do not help to meet important objectives. Next, second, do a list, means what work has to be done on which date, which time, which day, everything you have to make a list. To do the list, it is known as key to efficiency, means to do list are essential to beat work overload. When it is not used effectively, it appears unfocused and unreliable to the people around use them effectively. So, it is the second point. Next one is action programs or action planners programs. The benefits of to-do list, that is key to efficiency. The benefits, if we do so like that, what are the benefits we are going to get means you remember to carry out all necessary tasks with you when you are going to office. You tackle the most important job first and don't waste time on trial task. Okay, you don't get stressed by the large number of unimportant jobs. Okay, next one is action programs, becoming exceptionally well organized it is. So the action programs are industrial strength it is. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, versions of to-do list it is. Okay, the next action plan list, heading list, the precise immediate actions that need to perform to move projects forwards. The delegated action list means records details of projects and actions that have been delegated. The project catalog. Next, handling list, the project that are required to be worked on, like that. Next comes valuing time. Side by side, we should also give the time value. Okay, finding out how much time is worth to particular program, we have to calculate how much time it requires. Okay, it's important to attach monetary value to time because it helps to focus on high value tasks and avoid activities that don't add much value. Okay, like that we have to just maintain the time. If we maintain or if we know the time management, we also come to know the benefits of time management. We had done like this like that, so that our we are having the all benefits. Okay, helps in reducing stress ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಈಗ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. If an individual knows how to manage the stress in the right way, he will able to reduce his stress in both personal as well as professional life. ಎರಡದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? An individual will be respected and appreciated for the work he does more by his colleagues, higher authorities, and even people around him if he has good time management techniques. Okay, reaching goals. If things are planned out and done in the right manner, and if the individuals set a time frame for completing the his work. Okay, next, developing confidence Managing a time properly will help an individual to achieve his goals and attain success. When an individual achieves success, he automatically gains the confidence. Both are directly proportional. Avoid sickness. When all things are properly planned and are going on the right